Understanding superheat and subcooling is key when you're trying to get your HVAC system running smooth and efficient, no cap. So, here's the thing about measuring superheat and subcooling. You gotta make sure your temperature readings are legit. That means when you're checking the suction or liquid line temps, you can't just slap the thermometer on top of insulation and call it a day. You actually need to pull back or remove the insulation first so the thermometer gets proper contact with the metal line. Otherwise, you're just guessing, and that messes up your numbers. Once you get a good reading, put the insulation right back so your system stays protected and efficient. Keep in mind, if you're working in a super cold or hot spot, double check those temps because ambient air can throw things off. Also, always use a reliable thermometer because cheap ones can give you whack readings. Lastly, take your time. Rushing through these checks usually leads to mistakes that cost you later. One of the biggest mistakes when dealing with superheat and subcooling measurements is not removing the line insulation properly before taking temps, which causes inaccurate readings and can lead to system inefficiency or damage. Fix it by always pulling back enough insulation to get full contact between the thermometer and the copper line. Another common issue is using the wrong type of thermometer. Some digital readers or infrared guns won't cut it for this job. Use a clamp-on or probe thermometer designed for HVAC work to get the best results. A third problem is not accounting for ambient temperature influence. People forget that outside air can affect your measurement if you're not careful. The fix? Shield your measurement area or take multiple readings to confirm accuracy. BigHomeProjects.com is clutch for homeowners looking to find local contractors they can actually trust without all the hassle. It also hooks up contractors with steady work by connecting them with people who really need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone.